Hey guys, what's up? So we're here and we're about to go on our hike and see if we do anything crazy, but we're gonna get a bed real quick. Alright, so we're gonna gamble because it's the only way to make money in today's life. On the max play?
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah. That was it.
Cooked.
You can make it back. Come on. Take the dollars, please. Take my money. We left?
Yeah.
So look, basically, what happened is we were stuck at the gas station because we saw some slot machines and we decided to gamble. We don't advise gambling, of course, but we were down to do it. So I put in first I put in $2 and didn't win anything. I got my snacks and I got $4 change. So then I was like, man, might as well put them in the machine, bro. I go in and I hit the jackpot. Yeah. I hit the jackpot for $20. Just $20, but from $4 to $20.
That's pretty good.
That's pretty good. And then I fucking sell, bro. I sell and I lose all of it as I'm gambling and pressing the button even more, trying to win more. This is why gambling is so addicting. Cause it was so fun, but I know I wasn't. I just kept losing money, and I was just watching my thing keep going down, and I was just like, wait, stop. Yo, we here. Look at this. Check it out. Yep. So basically what happened was on our way here, we met some hitchhikers and we picked them up, dropped them off at the same slot we were kind of heading towards. And now we're here and look at it. It's the sun's coming out just for you guys to see. It's beautiful here. Beautiful. Oh!
Hell yeah.
Alright, you good.
Pero junto a mi bestia ya no sé, uno por olvidarte, pero cuando fumo el humo me recuerda a ti. De todas las veces que te hice mía mientras lo prendí, eso me hacía feliz. Ahora la cama vacía me hace compañía porque tú no estás aquí. Yo no sé ni para qué creí en ti, el amor no existe, contigo aprendí. Hoy cuando la noche caiga ya no estoy yo. Las llamadas que entran se van por el buzón. Baby, cómo dañaste mi corazón, pero es tarde, ya no tengo ganas.
Dude couldn't wait. Ruining the water. You fucking bastard. You fucking making the water nasty.
I'm just making it a bit warmer. I'm here to mark my territory.
Fuck you. That shit is cold as fuck. Hey, but it's worth it though, I can't lie.
I'm gonna take a dip in. How's the water feeling, buddy?
Feeling like I need to get out.
Ooh.
Yeah, so the other day we went to the river. Today we're in the mountains with the G, and we're going mad slow because we can't go fast. But we're about to hit this tower and try to see the view, and supposedly it looks nice. So let's go. Yo, hold on.
What's up?
Get out the car and go show them that view right
I
there.
bet. Holy shit. There's water down there.
There's a river down there with a little waterfall going on.
Ooh, I see that.
And then
You
there's
can
another
see the
river.
waterfall down
Oh, yeah.
there. Right there's the waterfall. And then it
So
comes down.
basically we out here And we about to show you when we get to the tower or the hike. Drive up here. Crazy. I was trying to push that G, but I didn't want to. But we're here. We're safe. It's just, let's go check it out. Look at this. Isn't it crazy?
Oh my god.
Yeah, man. We're up here.
2,000 feet up in the air.
2,000 feet. We're probably up more because I'll check. The wind is blowing. I know you can hear it in the video. I'm about to go up this tower. Who knows how long this has been here for? But it's pretty cool. Let's go to the top. Over there, bro, is where they like put their parachutes or whatever. And then people fly off from there.
Oh, that's crazy.
Yeah.
Wait.
He is coming.
Holy. Wow. Wind is crazy up here.
I could just stay here all day, I swear. Holy cow.
Wow.
Oh, it's so beautiful. Look at all those people that live in those towns. Look at that river, though. It's like a... And then over here, this view. This is even more spectacular. Untouched.
Oh.
Come on, Eddie. Get in the picture.
Come on, come on, come on, come on. Ah. This is